Louise van Rijn believes that by replacing our negative perceptions with a positive outlook, we can open up a world of possibilities. After the break, she shows us how she puts this into practice. Having lived in many places around the world, Louise van Rijn is passionate about creating a network of local and international thinkers who are passionate about creating a more prosperous South Africa. One of the connections she's made is the Nile Mellon Township Trust, an Irish organization that is literally helping us build a better South Africa.
I'm passionate about South Africa, and I do believe that every one of us have a huge contribution to make to this country. We need to get out there and help deal with the issues of our country. And houses is a very specific issue that we grapple with. And this is just a small contribution that we can make in helping to build some houses here at Wallerstein. Our project is called Active Citizens Together for South Africa, Act for South Africa, and it is, and we're excited about all of the opportunities where people are just coming together from government and business and civil society, and they're tackling big issues. My daughters are both incredibly involved in all of the activities that I'm personally involved in, all of the community building activities. And what I'm trying to convey to my children and to their friends and to my friends is that making a contribution to South Africa and dealing with the issues that we face isn't something that we can do one day a week or one day a month or one day a year. It's something that we have to do ongoingly. So it becomes a lifestyle. It's just a way of being in the world, and it's looking for opportunities where you can do something. It's not just about what we do here today, it's about everything that we do. And in my work with organizations and in leadership development, I'm constantly challenging people to say, to what extent have you transferred your knowledge today to someone who have not had that experience or that background or that education? And I think that's our challenge. All of us need to look for opportunities to transfer skills. The thing that I do best of all is to connect people. I have a natural ability to bring people together and to put people in touch with other people and to make the connections so that it makes it easier for people to do the work that they're passionate about. I'm so involved in so many different things that there is absolutely no way how I could have done any of this without the amazing husband that I have. Gerrit is just so supportive of all of my dreams and ideals and things that I want to achieve. And there's no way that I could do what I do if I didn't know that they were in good hands and that they were being looked after in the way that Gerrit does look after. And he's the most involved father. I also have an amazing au pair. Leonie's been with us since we arrived in Cape Town. She's like a mother to the two girls. I also have a very involved mother-in-law and a mother, and they are available, and when we have to go away for business trips, my mum-in-law comes and she stays with the kids, and the kids absolutely love her. So that's the other thing that makes it possible for me to do the work that I need to do. And I know that I'm very privileged in that. Many of my colleagues say they don't have that kind of support structure. And to be honest, that's one of the reasons why we came back to South Africa, is we didn't have that in the UK. I do need downtime, and my downtime is to charge my battery, is to either read a book. I love reading. I read. I describe myself as a bookaholic, so I try to read a few big books a week. I don't get enough time to do anything else, but I love going to the movies with the kids. And then we as a family like to do things over weekends. We love diving. One of our wonderful things is that our eldest daughter has recently qualified as a diver. She's one of the youngest divers ever, because the age limit was changed a month or so before she turned 10, so she got her diving licenses very, very early. We're all very involved with the Kaylee campaign. We all ride the Argus as Kaylee riders. We managed to raise money for the Kaylee campaign. Gerrit and I as senior Kaylee riders, and Helen and Lisa as junior Kaylee riders. We have a target this year to enroll 100 senior Kaylee riders and 100 junior Kaylee riders, because every one of those participants make a contribution to the Kaylee campaign and enable them to continue to do their work. There were so many situations in my life where the world out there gave me a message that what I wanted to do was not possible, and where I had to dig deep to gather the energy and the passion to continue. And a lot of what I'm doing now is around passion, is because I'm passionate. And passion gives you something that no one else can. It's something that absolutely comes from within, and makes you do things that you think wasn't possible, but in the moment where the obstacles come, you somehow find a way to overcome them and to go past them. So it's just about whether you can keep yourself in there, in the game, and not give up.